Great take, Rick. Good take.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, I'm Rick Provow with Provow's Puppets. We do, as you can see, a lot of different video productions, and what you're about to see is a lot of different commercials that we've done in the past, and we hope that by watching this you might be interested in using us in some of your future productions. So sit back, watch, and I'll be back at the end of the tape. Bye. Yeah! I love scrap! Whoa!
Thank you, Cobbler. You're the best cobbler.
You make it safe for us to play. You've got that special way.
We don't have to panic.
It's unapologetic.
We just like to say
Thank you, Cobbler, for being Memphis' finest.
You're the best in pest control. Call 725-6000. 725-6000.
Thank you, Cobbler, for being Memphis' finest cobbler.
There was a time when our hearts did cry. Our world was troubled both day and night
By nasty pests that we could not fight, we turned to Cobbler for pest control. At 725-6000. Now thanks to Cobbler, our world is free. A better place for you and me. Turn to Cobbler.
Okay, what do you do if you have scrap jammed in the conveyor?
Well, you can drive the car.
Whoa!
Can you not read it?
Shut up. Just you do your lines.
I was.
I'll deal with mine. Thank you. Mom.
I'm Larry Clark. This is Rick Provow.
That's Larry Clark. I'm Rick Provow.
And we're here.
I'm me.
Shut up. Anyhow, and
Don't
we're
tell
here
me
today
to shut up.
Shut
Well, we hope you enjoyed what you've seen today. We can make and design any kind of puppet that you need. If I can't personally make it, we'll find the people who can, and we hope that you enjoyed what you've seen and you'll contact us. Thanks again for watching the video, and we hope to hear from you. Bye. Yeah, I love scrap.